Another day in Bali and the weather seems improved. It's about 3:30 p.m. It's sunny, beautiful day. I'm at the front of the Hardy's Arta supermarket in Sanur, and today I'm gonna show you everything about the Tanjung street in Sanur. Basically, this is the area of Arta supermarket, previously very popular place, but I would like to notice there's so many young people nowadays in Sanur. That's actually very new. Taxi drivers waiting for you. So today I'm gonna have a peaceful walk around the Jalan Tanjung street in Sanur. There are the boys from the coffee kiosk around. Also some people already here every day, every single day. Anyways, if I'm already passing by, I'm gonna have a hot cappuccino with the boys from the coffee kiosk, as always, right? Yeah, they are a little bit shy today. Anyways, many of you also asking me about our movement of our house, the progress. We found a house in outside Sanur, in Renon, but close to the Sanur West. Probably when we're gonna move next month, we're gonna show you a little bit. Overall, I just want to show you today how does it look like in Sanur for everyone who are missing the vibe, especially on Jalan Tanjung street. Most of the restaurants are currently open. Well, and it's generally quite a lot of people, but when I come with the camera, actually everybody are gone. I don't know where are the people. No, seriously, when I was passing today Sanur, the street, maybe already 10 times, because I'm passing every single day so many times the Jalan Tanjung and I see the people, so that's why I decided to come to Sanur, make a video, and suddenly they gone. It's 3:34 p.m, so maybe it's the siesta time in Spain. Maybe they follow the same system, right? I don't know. Also, so many buildings who are abandoned because of business went into bankruptcy. Somebody re-rent them and they're gonna build something new shops, new restaurants, stuff like this one. Well, this one is still for rent. Situation at the front of the cafe, Smorgas, and entrance to the Pantai Karang, Jalan Pantai Karang, but also you can go to the Pantai Karang. And well, I was waiting for 2 minutes and then suddenly the people already passing and driving around. Well, overall, that's the comprehensive review. How does it look like? This is the new Italian place. I just simply gonna go with you guys to area of the Starbucks in Sanur. There are some tourists going to the beach with the towels if they are staying in the hotels. Like on the Jalan Tanjung, on Tanjung street, they have no access to the beach directly to the ocean, so people have to walk to the beach. Meanwhile, there is the nice place for rent for the restaurant if you are interested. Well, looks like this one is for rent. Yo, what's up? The retro people, yo. The retro cafe. Today I'm totally making video without any script, even well, I'm always making videos without any script anyway, but today is like totally, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to the area of Starbucks, and over construction over here. Check this out. Like I said, everywhere is the construction nowadays, everywhere in Sanur and in other parts of Bali. Everybody who have money, they investing in Bali so badly. So yeah, that's how it looks. And some tourists walking around also. Even here, the area of the bread basket was always been, they never had a problems, and there is like a shops, but also Japanese restaurant. Winnie asked me to come there once, maybe we're gonna make a video, maybe not, let's see. This is the area of La Gava hotel, and there is so much development here. I think the La Gava give up the half of the property, and they're gonna build the new shops for rent. They're gonna have actually 5 of them, and well, there's no more part of the hotel restaurant of La Gava, but it's gonna be like 5 shops for rent. That will be like a picture of 7-Eleven. However, probably gonna be shop, mini market, and you can rent this for cafe or boutique, something like that. So La Gava has struggled. However, they found a way how to make money, and well, that's actually good. There will be like 5 different businesses in this spot. That's nice. There's also popular and the Indomaret new mini market in Sanur, and actually more shops and restaurants in the area is better because attracting the more tourists from all around the world, guys, right? And also the Casablanca is open again. However, it's very empty. Even at night time, it's pretty quiet, but it's open, so they are waiting for better times. Swissberg Resort Watu Jimbar in Sanur is open. We make a video even there once or twice, I think once. So everywhere you can see there's the construction. All of these restaurants were closed simply, and now you see this guys painting everything, so everything is going back to be very normal in the very near future. Taxi drivers are honking again. Even the Wicked Parrot is open, and there are some people deep inside actually already. So well, it's getting better and better, that's for sure. What I can say, I know some of you guys love Sanur so much. Even today I met a lovely couple in the Grand Lakin supermarket. Thank you so much for saying hi, by the way. However, some of you may say that Sanur is boring, and well, for me Sanur maybe it's not the... Well, from the perspective of the tourist, I'm not sure if it's the best place to come here. Except if for the first time maybe it's maybe too boring, but if you are coming for holidays to Bali just to enjoy the peacefully and calm, or you are living especially in Bali, the Sanur is definitely worth it to consider, especially for the living. For the, well, 5 days holidays, 1 week holiday, maybe different area. Maybe Canggu is actually good for you, or Seminyak, where is so much action, but for the peaceful holidays and living, that's definitely Sanur is very good for you. Meanwhile, this is Starbucks. I'm not gonna go to Starbucks. However, Starbucks exists, they never closed, and everything is good over here in this area. Also, many of you are missing Starbucks here. Here is the entrance where this lovely couple is getting inside for the Tanjung Sari hotel, and another couple walking by, so definitely quite many tourists already around deep inside the hotels. Traffic situation also here next to opposite Tanjung Sari is the big place for rent for another restaurant, in case if you are interested. Another hotel called Gazebo. Gazebo Hotel is also open, of course. For everyone who are missing the Artoter Beach Club, Artoter Beach Club is suddenly closed and nobody wants to tell me if they're gonna open. Transport guys, yo, what's up? Hey, how much helicopter? How much helicopter, yeah? Alright. Yeah, this is the Artoter Beach Club. I text them email, send them email personally if they wanna sell this, but they didn't answer to me. They just said as it's closed, but they didn't say as they wanna sell it. So the hotel Respati also, I was making videos here so many times, and somebody said, why you never showing the Respati hotel? Here you go guys, the lobby entrance of the Respati, exclusively for you guys, it's open. Actually, regarding the Artoter Beach Club, I was thinking that could be amazing place for the TheMonkeys Beach Club. However, maybe in the future, right? This guy is selling the merchandise from Bali just next to the Hotel Gazebo. You can easily find him.
Buy one.
Good price.
Yeah, just $10.
Just $10. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you so much. God bless. Okay, thank you. Overall, the regular stuff, regular day, like any other day in Bali. Many people honking at you. They're trying to sell you a transport. Well, that's how it says. Like this boys over here. There's another restaurant's closed, but they are cleaning something. Somebody have a nice Mercedes over here. Also, so many vendors trying to sell you something that's pretty normal, very common thing nowadays. It always been actually, but well, when I'm walking and vlogging around Sanur, Tamringan today, I just realized that actually Sanur is definitely much more busier on Tamringan Street during the at morning time when I'm coming, for example, to Bread Basket, having my cappuccino with salted pressure because I really like it. So definitely it's actually very busy, and even it's hard to, you know, park the car, motorbike, the taxi drivers all the time honking at you, by the way. So next time I will probably come to this part of Sanur afternoon, or at morning on the Tamringan Street, and afternoon show you the beach side, because long time I didn't show you the beach side of this place. Meanwhile, constructions everywhere. But yeah, of course, some tourists walking around time to time. So meanwhile, I would like to say thank you so much for listening and watching today. Quick, very simple video from Sanur.